This is exercise 4.1, question number 2. Represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equations. First one, the area of rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot in meters is 1 more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and the breadth of the plot. Now they are talking about the rectangular plot. So we'll draw one rectangular plot here. Now they said length is 1 more than twice its breadth. So we don't know the breadth. So let us consider the breadth be x. So that length will become 2x plus 1. And what they have given us? Area of the plot is given as 528 meters square. So here we'll write down let breadth is equal to x meter and length is equal to 2x plus 1 meter. Now one more thing they said, area is given. So here I write down area of a plot which is equal to 528 meters square. Area of the plot means what? L into B, because it is rectangular plot. Right? So in this one I'll just substitute the values here. L is 2x plus 1 and breadth is x, which is equal to 528. We'll just multiply it. 2x square plus x. This 528, I'll bring this side. 528, which is equal to 0. Now this one is a required quadratic equation for this situation. Now let us see the second one. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. Here we need to find the integers. So let the consecutive positive integers be, here I'll write down, let the two consecutive positive integers be x and x plus 1. These two integers we'll consider, right? Now they are saying product of them. So according to the condition, product of them x into x plus 1 is 306. So here x square plus x, 306 will bring this side, which is equal to 0. We got the quadratic equation, right? Now this one is a quadratic equation for the given situation, correct? Let us see the third one. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages in years 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find Rohan's present age, right? Now here first we'll consider their present ages. So here I'll write down let their present ages. Here I'll write down Rohan, which is equal to x years, and his mother, which is equal to x plus 26 years. And now after 3 years. After 3 years, Rohan, here I'll write down, Rohan's age will become x plus 3 years and his mother's age, mother, will be equal to x plus 29. Why? Because I added 3 in the present age. So x plus 29 years, right? Now what they are saying, after 3 years, the product of their ages is 360. Okay, so here I'll write down according to the condition. So here, according to the condition, here x plus 3 into x plus 29, which is equal to 360. Now we'll multiply both the brackets here. So here x square plus 3 and 29, it became 32x, and product of 3 and 29, it became 87. Is it? 87, correct. Minus 360 came this side, which is equal to 0. So here x square plus 32x, and subtraction of these two numbers comes as minus 273. This is the required quadratic equation for the given situation, right? Now come to the next one. Fourth one. A train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. So distance is 480 km. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. See what they are saying here? Now the distance is 480 km. So here I'll write down this distance is 480 km. And we don't know the speed. So we'll consider let the speed be x km per hour. Right? So here the formula for time we should know. The formula is what? Time which is equal to distance upon speed. This formula we should know. Correct? Now here I'll write down let speed which is equal to x kilometer per hour. So whenever speed is x, so the time required to cover this 480 kilometer distance, I'll write down t1 timing. So which is equal to distance is 480 kilometer and speed is x. I'll name it as equation 1. Now here I will require less time. Why less time I am saying? Because in the next situation they are saying if the speed is reduced by 8 km per hour, so time will require more. So this is less time. I'll just write down here less time for our convenience only. Okay, here. Now the new speed. See what they said? If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, so this is the new speed. So here I'll write down new speed which is equal to x minus 8 km per hour. Now according to the new speed, time required, I'll write down t2 which is equal to distance is same 480. Now speed is what? X minus 8. I will name this equation as equation 2. Now as the speed is reduced, you will require more time. So this one I will write down more time. Correct? Now they are saying if the speed is reduced, then for the same distance the train will require 3 hours more. Right? So what I will do here? More time minus the less time which is equal to 3 hours. So here I'll write down according to the condition. So here according to the condition T2 minus T1 which is equal to 3 hours. See this is time and this is time. Everything is in the time. Now I'll just substitute the value here. T2 is what here? 480 divided by x minus 8 and T1 is 480 by x which is equal to 3. Most of the time children do the mistake in these two terms. They forget to write down T2 here, more time minus the less time. They write down sometimes T1 minus T2. Okay, this type of mistake should not happen. For that only I have written in the bracket less time and more time. Now see in both the terms 480 is common. So I will take 480 as common from there. So here 480 is out of the bracket. 1 by x minus 8 minus 1 by x which is equal to 3. This 480 which is multiplying here, I will send that side to divide. See here now, I will do LCM for these two terms. So x minus 8 divided by x minus 8 into x which is equal to 3 divided by 480. So 3 1s are 3 6s are and this is 0. 160. Now I will just open the bracket. X minus x plus 8 divided by x into x square minus 8x which is equal to 1 by 160. This x and x got cancelled. Now I will do the cross multiplication. This x square minus 8x. So here 8 and 160. So 16 8s are 128 128 and 10, which is equal to x square minus 8x. So this 1280 I'll send that side. So 0, which is equal to x square minus 8x minus 1280. This way we can write down, or we'll bring RHS this side and 0 that side. So x square minus 8x minus 1280, which is equal to 0. This one is the required required quadratic equation for the situation, right? I hope all of you understood this question number 2 from exercise 4.1. Thank you.